Just cut the tomato.
Ah!
What?
You shocked me.
I shocked everybody.
Okay, did you start like right there?
Yeah.
This is so nice.
Start about right here.
Real fine. Yeah. She can't even. Yeah. Yeah, I like
Go a
that.
little bit thicker than that. There.
Yeah, I like that, girl. Mm-hmm.
Too thick?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Why are you doing perfect?
So have you made it, Bobby?
Why? When he makes it for me.
Never ruin my recipe? No. She'd be
Good,
making
baby.
it, she go, that's too much salt. And then he goes, it needs salt. No shit.
Don't forget you got your bacon nut, Bill.
Yeah, I know that.
He's got to go to bed tonight.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Show that to Cow. Mm-hmm. Tell Cowboy that don't you wish you could get this because you ain't.
Well, I don't